Welcome back. And now what we will see, if my student class will be final, if I will declare the student class as a final class here, means here if my student class will be final here, I'm using public final. So final class, if you have remember in theory you have seen final class, it will not allow you to override. So here, if I try to compile, if I will compile, so now it will show error. It is saying cannot inherit from final student. Means final class you will not be able to inherit. Now what I want to do, this student class, what I have, I'm not making final. What I'm going to do here, I want to do overriding. Suppose student class study method I have, and this study method I want to override. Study method I want to override. Okay, can take this protected. Home study method I want to override. So what I should write inside the child class, same method, you can write same method. Means condition is what? Method signature should be same, return type should be same. And here your specifier can increase but should not decrease. Means in place of protected, if you want to write public here, yes, it will work. But if you will write there default or private, it will show error. And here, why you are going to do here? Suppose here you want to change the body, like home study, okay, overriding. Later, you can write any logic there. And now here, yes, perfect. Now this home study, you will create an object of your student subclass. Now your student subclass here, what I'm going to do, I'm creating here the object of student subclass. Suppose SS equal to new student subclass, and there using that I want to call SS dot what are the home study method. This time your student this subclass is having two home study method. One home study method what are coming from one home study method what are coming from parent, and second its own. But when you will execute, it will give the result of its own, because the child class home study method will override to parent class home study. So see here, if I will execute this, if I will execute, then see what it will do here. If I'll compile, then here, okay, cannot inherit. Okay, this part I am not saved. I think yes. After removing the final, you have to save the file also. So see now no error. But if I try to run, if I will run, then see here result is what? Home study overriding. It is not showing result of parent. It is showing result of its own. This is known as overriding. So hope you are able to understand